Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you all my recipe for a Trini macaroni pie. Every Trini has their own special way of making their version of a macaroni pie, and here is my version for you all. We're going to start in a big bowl. I'm going to create that milk mixture that brings the macaroni pie together. So I'm using 2 large eggs. If you wanted to omit the eggs, you can. You'll just use extra cheese in place. And I went in with 1 tin of evaporated milk, some Trini pepper sauce, and lots of pimento peppers finely chopped. In goes Cajun seasoning and some Caribbean citrus seasoning. You can use whatever seasonings you have on hand to season this milk mixture. You want it to be really flavorful and really tasty. Now I'm also going to go in with some grated garlic. This is going to be a pimento garlic flavored macaroni pie, and it's absolutely delicious. In went a tablespoon of butter. I'm using salted butter. You can use unsalted if you like. And I'm using a combination of Colby jack cheese, pepper jack cheese, and Monterey, along with some cheddar cheese. I just prefer mixing my cheeses. Feel free to use whatever cheese you have on hand or whatever cheese you like. Even if it's just one cheese, use that. Give this a good mix until the butter melts. And you want to make sure that it's coated, all those macaroni pieces are coated, and then pour it out into your baking dish. Now this is an 8 by 4 baking dish. If you wanted to double this recipe, you can. Now top it with the remaining cheese, and it's the same cheese mixture that we used inside. I love the combination of the cheddar cheese with the Monterey jack cheese. It's so mild and delicious, and if you don't like a sharp cheese, it's perfect. Now sprinkle on some dried parsley to give it a little color, and then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes until it's brown and bubbly. Now once it's done baking, you want to allow it to cool down properly before you cut and serve. If you were to cut this when it's hot, it's going to fall apart on you. And you can see how it has set up nicely for me. And I'm going to go in and cut it, and then I'm going to dish it out so you guys can see what it looks like. The pimento specks in there is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at that. This was one of the best macaroni pies that I've made lately. So amazing. And I'm serving it with some callaloo and some baked pork. The baked pork recipe is going to be uploaded pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. I already have it on my channel, but I did an updated version. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Try it, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.